In which view headers and footers are visible? Answer is print layout view, option C. Next question. The process of removing unwanted part of an image is called. Answer is cropping, option C. Next question. To apply central element to a paragraph, we can press. Answer is Ctrl plus E, option D. Next question. The space left between the margin and the start of a paragraph is called. Answer is indentation, option C. Text styling features of MS Word is. Answer is word art, option C. Which item are placed at the end of a document? Answer is EndNote, option C. Next question. To change line height to 1.5, we use shortcut key. Answer is Ctrl plus 5, option D. Next question. A number of letters that appear little above the normal text is called. Answer is superscript, option A. Next question. A number of letters that appear little below the normal text is called. Answer is subscript, option B. Next question. We can insert a page number at. Answer is both A and B, option C, header and footer. Which item appear dimly behind the main body text? Answer is watermark, option C. Next question. Which feature starts a new line whenever a word or sentence reached a border? Answer is text warping, option C. Next question. The direction of a rectangular page for viewing and printing is called. Answer is orientation, option A. Next question. We can remove or hide border of a shape by selecting. Answer is no outline, option B. Next question. We can change the thickness of a line from dash. Answer is line style, option D. Next question. What item contains detailed information about something in the text? Answer is footnote, option B. Next question. Which item is printed at the bottom of each page? Answer is footer, option D. Next question. Color and pattern used to fill a closed shape is called fill style? Option C. Question: where footnotes appear in a document? Answer: bottom of a page. Option B. नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु, जदि भिडियोटी आपको भल लगी थाए तेबे लाइक, शेयर एवं सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। नमस्कार।